Hello and welcome to the Voodoo free video for Monday, December 16th. This is David, and let's take a look at Bitcoin and the Voodoo roadmaps associated with it as it made fresh all-time highs here today. All-time highs effectively right at this 108,000 Voodoo tree line here in the Bitcoin futures. So tree lines are the second most important of the Voodoo line levels, so they are a major degree level. You know, back in the spring when we were making all-time highs, that ended at a tree line, and we needed to come back, find support at a fire line, right? Those are the most important of the Voodoo line levels. So not surprising that, that all-time high at the time was at a tree line, and then support following a multi-month pullback was at a fire line, and then that turns us right back up. So look, that move back up has sent us north of the 87,000 Voodoo fire line, and so long as we stay above that level, that certainly keeps the focus on the upside. Now, if we were going to react downwards, doing so from this 108,000 level would be a natural spot. Now, the flip side is if we can get above and hold above that 108,000 area, that keeps the focus immediately on the upside so long as we stay above. But having reacted there intraday here today, pulling back some, not much yet, but at least a little, that at least leaves the door open to more of a pullback. Now, the next level, the third degree level below that is right here, approximately 100,000, another one at 95,000. So if we break 100,000, 95,000 really needs to hold to avoid retesting 87,000, and 87,000 is really the level that needs to hold in order to keep an immediate uptrend intact. So those are the levels I'm watching. If we do come in and start to look at some smaller degree moves here on the hourly, right? You can see just ever so slight spike above that tree line level, and then we came reasonably sharply below. So right around 105,000 is and then below at 103,000 are going to be our Voodoo skylines. Those are the levels below which it opens the door back to 100,000. But for now, we're still in the area of that all-time high. So no warnings really yet, other than the fact that we just reacted at that tree line level, but have only backed off a little bit, not enough to identify a top in place. So that's what we have for this evening. I'll head on to the premium video in just a sec, where we'll cover some equities as well, take a look at gold, and continue on. But I hope you found this useful, and I will see you at next Monday's updates. Hey, David here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, please help us out. Click the like button. You can also add your comments below. We love to read those and respond to them. You can also click the bell icon. That will alert you whenever we have new and updated videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time with our own money, you can visit simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Until I see you again, as always, good trading, and we'll see you at the next video.